How to fix TikTok no internet connection problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, open the settings, open the apps manager, open the apps, and now scroll. After you find all the apps that you have on your phone, scroll like this, click on TikTok, click on force stop, and then click on data usage, disable the background data and the roaming data, go back again, and last thing you want to do now is just restart your phone and reopen TikTok, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you have just to restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.